Your question: point R h comma k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. Now understand this. So they have told you axis, that means it's in plural, both axes. So we will draw this like this. This is your x and this is your y, and there is a line segment which touches both axes. That means this. And there is a point. That point is R. Somewhat here. R. And the coordinates is h comma k, which divides this line segment in the ratio 1:2. So 1:2. That means this is your 1 and this is your 2. 1:2 ratio. Now, coordinates of this point is what? X comma 0. Here y is 0. Here x is 0. So here it will come 0 comma y. Now we have two coordinates and the ratios. We will go for a section formula. Section formula is what? We will write that x is equal to m x1 m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, and y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Now substitute the values here. So you can see what is your x. X is nothing but h comma k, है ना? X and y is h comma k. Now we will get h is equal to m. M is what? 1. This is your m and this is your n. So 1 into x2 is 0 plus n is 2 into x1 is x by m plus n. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is for this one. Now we will find out this. So we will get k is equal to 1 into y plus 2 into 0 by 3. Now cross multiply and solve it. 3h is equal to 1 into 0 is 0, 2x. Now here k 3k is equal to y. Now here we will find out x. So x is nothing but 3h by 2. This is your x, this is your y. Now the coordinates are what? 3h by 2. So this coordinate is 3h by 2 comma 0, and this coordinate is 0 comma 3k. This one. Now we have two coordinates. We know how to make a linear equation. That is what? Y minus y1, that is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That's all. Now we substitute the values. Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is your 0. That is equal to y2. Y2 is 3k. Minus 0 by x2. What is your x2? Is 0. 0 minus x1. x1 is 3h by 2. 3h by 2. into x minus 3h by 2. Now solve this. Y minus y0 is what? Y. You will get y. Y is equal to 3k into 2. And minus is also there. We will put minus here by 3h. Into x. Now take the LCM. 2x minus 3h by 2. Now solve this. देखो आपका क्या है? Here 3 and 3 gone. Here 2 and this 2 gone. So now your equation is y into h is yh. That is equal to now minus k into 2 is minus 2kx. Minus 2kx. And minus into minus is plus 3kh. 3kh. Now bring this to your left side. You will get 2kx plus yh, or hy you can say, hy, that is equal to 3kh. So 1 is your this equation. Next equation is that you can divide this equation by kh. Now you will get, सबको डिवाइड कर दो, देखो kh, kh and kh. Now you देखो आपका k and k gone, you will get 2x by h. 2x by h plus here h and h gone, y by k, that is equal to 3, है ना? This and this gone. So you can write either the black one or this one. Both answers are correct.